So you want to create an indoor-outdoor experience, maximize your space, and let more natural light shine in. How do you know which open space product is right for you? Well, LaCantina is here to help with the design considerations that go into various open space products. When deciding between a folding system or sliding system for your opening, you'll need to consider a few things: the operation of each system, configuration options, general traffic flow considerations, threshold options, hardware and color finish options, and other additional factors like whether you would benefit from adding a screen for added comfort and privacy. In this video, we'll compare each of these design considerations and go through the range of options both sliding and folding systems offer. You'll be sure to sort out your needs and learn just how LaCantina will enhance your lifestyle. Though the operation of most doors is fairly straightforward, some need more explanation than others. Take LaCantina's folding system, for example. To get these beautiful panels to fold accordion-like, neatly and out of the way, you'll need to unlock the levers, push the convenient pull handle, and effortlessly glide each panel to the next, completely out of the way. LaCantina's extensive development utilizes top rollers for smoother performance and long-lasting durability. With the weight of the doors above, LaCantina's folding system operates effortlessly with fingertip control. Some prefer two hands, while others have a bit more to juggle. Our multi-slide stacking system is probably one you're most familiar with, but unlike typical sliding glass patio doors, our systems have multiple panels that slide open and stack behind a fixed panel to create larger openings. Simply unlock and push. As you can see, LaCantina's sliding system is uniquely designed to stack flush for the cleanest aesthetic. For openings that can accommodate the wall space necessary, a pocket can be created within the wall where each panel can slide back completely out of sight, creating uninterrupted views. Truly out of sight, out of mind. LaCantina folding and multi-slide systems offer a wide range of panel configuration options to suit your project needs. Figuring out how to configure your system requires various considerations. Where do you anticipate the most traffic flow? Will there be furniture that could block a certain portion of the opening? Do you want the option of creating flexible living spaces? Are you simply trying to get a better view? Do you need a completely uninterrupted opening? Are you desiring for a traditional look, like French doors, where you can partially open them? Do you want a door you can use daily without opening the entire system? You will need to consider these examples when designing the configuration of your system. At LaCantina, all our systems are custom-made to meet your project needs. Our folding systems can span openings up to 65 feet wide and 10 feet high. For added value, our folding systems are also offered in standard sizes. There are countless folding system configuration options available. You may have the panels all go left or all go to the right, or they may split in the middle and some go to the left and some go to the right. Completely open up panels to fold all on one side, or do you want the ability to open up half of your system, even add a daily door option for easy and frequent access? If you have an even number of panels and need a daily door, you will not be able to stack all the panels in one direction. Whether there's an opening with as few as 2 panels or as many as 20, LaCantina can configure the perfect system tailored to your project needs. When thinking of your configuration, be sure to consider how your space is furnished. Though some furniture may be easy enough to move around, who really wants to do that? Make sure the 90-degree angles in which your folding panels will stack are best suited in-swing or out-swing based on your surroundings. For a completely uninterrupted opening, avoid heavy furniture around the system. If you can't avoid it, be sure to place your furniture in areas with the least amount of traffic flow. With our multi-slide systems, both stacking and pocketing systems offer a multitude of configuration options. You may have all panels go to one side, have panels that meet in the middle, or panels that move in both directions. Whether there's an opening with as few as 2 stacking panels or as many as 12 stacking panels, LaCantina has the configuration that's right for you. Be sure to consider how your space is furnished, both inside and outside. If your panels are stacking, be sure to have them stacked to the same side with the least amount of furniture and traffic flow. If you have the opportunity and ability to pocket your sliding systems, well, you don't have to worry much about anything, do you? LaCantina offers a dynamic and lifestyle-changing solution to home environments that extend past just folding and sliding door systems. Using the same award-winning technology for our door systems, we can easily adapt it to unique applications including servery window systems, combination door and window systems, and zero-post corners. A servery window system is the ideal solution to open kitchens and maximize space for outdoor entertaining. Operating without a bottom track, the servery window system allows for a continuous countertop, providing the largest pass-through opening without interruption. Combination door and window systems allow windows to be connected to doors without the support of a wall or post and are perfect for kitchens leading to outdoor entertaining areas. This unique application can be applied to folding and sliding systems. A zero-post corner system combines two door systems to open the entire corner for uninterrupted views without the need of a supporting wall or post. This unique application is perfect for commercial or residential spaces. You can really maximize your space with an application like our zero-post corner system.